The Karma Revero is dead, but its Fisker DNA refuses to die. The Karma Revero bows out of production, yet the EREV sedan's aluminum spaceframe roots will continue in its successor. Karma just ended Revero production after 8 years on sale. Gyesera keeps the same aluminum spaceframe and EREV setup. Company is taking $5,000 deposits with no firm delivery date. The Fisker Karma made its debut all the way back in 2011 as a strikingly unconventional sports sedan, combining exotic design with an electrified powertrain long before it was common. 14 years later, the last version of its successor, the Karma Revero, has quietly rolled off the production line. Even so, the design isn't fading away just yet. That familiar low-slung shape will return, reshaped and repackaged under a new name. Just days ago, Karma Automotive shared images of the final Revero on its official social media channels. The 5,065mm, 199.4-inch, long sedan was shown inside the company's facility, finished in green with a beige and black cabin. It's unclear whether this specific car is destined for a private buyer or will remain in Karma's own collection. The Revero was first introduced in 2016 as a reworked version of the short-lived Fisker Karma, which was sold between 2011 and 2012. After Fisker's bankruptcy, not to be confused with his more recent one, yes, Henrik Fisker had a few, the company's assets were picked up by China's Wanxiang group, which brought the car back under the Karma Automotive name. The updates were modest, but enough to mark a new chapter. Over the years, the brand revealed new versions of the model, including the Revero GT in 2019 with a BMW-sourced turbo 1.5-liter range extender engine, the more affordable GS6 in 2021, and the carbon-clad Invictus in 2024. Karma has been clear that it sees the Revero's legacy as ongoing, not concluded. Legacy does not end. It endures, the company stated, and the upcoming Gyesera is the embodiment of that idea. Positioned as a direct successor, the Gyesera carries the same DNA with several key updates. In its final form, the Revero delivered a combined 536 horsepower, 400 kilowatts/544 horsepower, and 550 lb-ft, 746 Nm, of torque through its extended range electric powertrain. The 28 kilowatt-hour battery provided up to 80 miles, 129 kilometers, of pure electric driving, contributing to a total range of 360 miles, 579 kilometers, when combined with gasoline refueling. The Gyesera continues to use the aluminum spaceframe that dates back to the original Fisker Karma, though it now wears revised bodywork made from carbon fiber and aluminum. Despite early claims of enhanced performance, official figures suggest that range and battery capacity remain unchanged from the Revero. Where there is a difference, it's in the power. The Gyesera's setup is rated at 558 horsepower, 416 kilowatts/566 horsepower, a slight increase, while torque drops marginally to 546 lb-ft, 740 Nm. Karma is currently accepting $5,000 deposits for the Gyesera. Production was originally scheduled to begin in the fourth quarter of 2025, though with the year almost over and no updates provided, that timeline now seems uncertain. Beyond the Gyesera, the company's future lineup includes the Amaris, a related model with a two-door body. Karma has also announced production versions of the Kavea Super Coupe and the Avara crossover, both of which were unveiled in concept form in 2023 and 2024, respectively.